Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri ke Sorkar Jelau Markus N. Marak hak sautrik unailar arja absan ulaong balada ki pajba ke Rilum Khasi-Jaiñtia kim Kwah egaral henda ki pajba ke Rilum Garo kindawa baga Sorkar ke dewan penyar ya ke jing penyeso daga lintiral na mendi pethar syakiwe-kiwe ki benta jong ke Rilum Garo hak jing keren begelat petai kubor umara ula penken maru ya ke jing dawa jong UMLA ke siju rong ara urakam sangma men penyeso ya ke lintiral syabang mara ya ke bala ajing kersyandu daki MLA jong ke Rilum Garo.
If Khasi Hills is not going for railway, definitely we would demand, because we need extension of railway from Mendipatra. Honorable MLA Siju Rongara, Mr. Rakam Sangma has also demanded to Bakmara, and there are demands to West Garo Hills also. If this site, Khasi Hills site, if they don't agree for the railways, definitely Garo Hills will go for it. Well, I would love to seek an extension, but then appropriate would be to connect it to southwest Garo Hills also, because there are lots of agriculture activity in that area, and if it is connected, and once the bridge over Brahmaputra, which is being connected Pulbari to Dhubri, it is connected, then it will be a very convenient place for business activities in West Garo Hills.
So, submit a similar proposal to Chief Minister?
That is good enough for me, because if the railway line is being extended to Bakmara, definitely it will go through Williamnagar.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu saw po hajar hadu hundriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagdor lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar seneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka benta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran po no menta hau khandai saw lai hundriu san pra hinyo lai pra